Hello, today I'm going to show you how to program the volumetrics on the Conti. First, we need to get into the menu of the machine. We do this by pressing and holding down button 5 until the screen says Programming. At this point, we can insert our portafilter, ready with our dose of ground coffee, into the group head. Get some scales and an empty cup. We'll need these to measure how much water comes through. When you're ready, press the button you want to reprogram. Here, we're choosing button 2. Today, we're aiming for a 40-gram yield, so I will press the button again when it gets to around 37 grams. This will stop it. When you program one side, it will automatically program the other side. When you've reached your desired yield, wait for 10 seconds and the machine will take itself out of the menu and be ready to use.